Today you will learn how to trademark a name and logo. There are four ways. The first way is national trademark application. If you live in Turkey, you can apply directly to Turkish Patent Office. In 6 months, you can apply International Trademark Office for United States or China. But you can't apply directly to International Trademark Office without national trademark application. If your national trademark application is cancelled in 5 years, your international trademark application also will be cancelled. After 5 years, there is no problem. The third way is European trademark application for 28 European countries. The disadvantage of this system, if your application is cancelled in one of European countries, your European trademark application will be cancelled. The last way is regional trademark system is Benelux. Your application will be valid in Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. Don't forget subscribing my channel, follow my social media accounts.